The Battery and Electronic Vehicle Show has been a very strong show for several years.
It's things that you put in your battery and also things to help you put your battery together. There's both sides represented at this trade show.
The main value is to see what's available on the market and where the technology is heading.
You want to come to this show to see who's playing in this, because it's the best way to get information is from the people who are actually working the booths.
Everyone I've talked to so far has been able to get super in-depth and technical. Getting to learn from them is awesome.
The presentations at the show is a very strong resource.
If you look at the list of speakers, they're very intelligent people that are in the forefront of this world that we find ourselves in.
It's night and day from 10 years ago. The show and the industry has grown up together, especially in this area.
As a young engineer, and especially in Michigan, the emerging industry of autonomous vehicles is going to really change the game. So I'm excited to see all the people here, how they're going to be able to work together.